We'll guide you through how to share a Figma link. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Figma project on your computer. Make sure you're in the file you want to share. Look to the top right corner of the screen and you'll see a share button. Go ahead and click on that. A dialog box will appear with a field that says invite by email or name. But what you want is the copy link option just below that field. Before you copy the link, check the sharing permissions under the WAI's access. You have options like anyone means anyone with the link can view, or only invited people. Choose the one that fits your needs by clicking on the drop down and selecting the appropriate option. This ensures that whoever you send the link to has the right level of access. Once your sharing settings are all set, click copy link. Now your Figma link is copied to your clipboard. You can paste it into an email, chat, or any other communication tool to share it with others. A quick tip: if you frequently share your Figma files, consider using the share settings to set default permissions for all your files. This can save you time in the future and ensure consistency across your projects. That's it. You're all set to share your Figma designs with colleagues or clients effortlessly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.